Iyemuto sunu koto mauran tena ajai kina hoteli loka mountain ina laijo city lombale kapara na bean. Nozi keda arota Iyemuto. Editors luka Iyemuto nepe keda managers kanwe nyabukiwa itinlwe munere. Ponelo ikiunera Apedorosio nuka itunga ngola uno puno sholwe gelegela. William Eidu olopai na peta kere nuka shao. Bala koto maidu lesebe.
Jailo lilo skiti noe hai topogo ngori arota Iyemuto. Chetere pirota mesieki ni angwal iwa itinilu angwal uwe jasi toma boisiti wo koralo skinete noe hai chuk Apedorosio hai topolore Apedorosio ni Ingwalasik.
Kwadera rapelu loka arota Iyemuto loisha nakini tunga kiro ai sira nakin osoda itale kari tekesi ko sawa na kere arota Iyemuto lude dakatrosi peleki lo eneri keda tukono nukai tunga lo elangir no ekotomo kwamin kesida ajasi tomai tutorona.
Disability is not an inability. There is potential in that child. Let us not play the role of stigmatizing our children and even the communities out there. Let us not look down on these people. Let us make sure that we involve them and we also consider them in our environments, because this is the only way that we are going to grow. These are people who are with us and they are one of us and we are the same people.
Nye Helena Guyo na ade lomnute top radio laijo soroti chamnute be.
Orae woro ne jesu ka parota Iyemuto ai ngaraki na teker amisi kin Apedorosio nunwe gitigita kede ponelo ipedoroni ai gangaki ni tungalu adumunu ai jara ni tekora kotoma atubet ijo kapa urian lo jaske diko kene ngwaliti dio kere mere munulu aspina bifida hydrocephalus konya dio ngwalu kere ibusana kiti jo na soti beraje nube iko kungini erai tunganan kaponu che tunga yare kini iko kungine jasi kede Apedorosio ke kwapa iko kieni esbuti last ban kede angwala dio.
We as media, we play a big role in informing and educating the community. So creating awareness and shaping the mindset of people in community. So about disability, many misconceptions, many myths and perceptions have been in the community about people living with disabilities.
Following today's training, I have picked a leaf in as far as relating with persons living with disabilities is concerned. So in the newsroom and while in the field as well, since I'm also a reporter, I intend to be balanced in my way of reporting.
TV Right, oppose TV East.